Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about how the market is coming down a little bit. I want to take a look at Crowcoin and kind of express my opinions on where I think Crowcoin could be headed here, considering the strict and heavy-handed regulation that is coming at Binance and these other exchanges, including Coinbase as well. The SEC is coming after Binance and Coinbase, which is a pretty big deal right now. It's kind of the uh, the last thing, in my opinion, that the powers that be can do to attack cryptocurrency. This is a full-on fledged attack at the industry as a whole, the crypto industry. I mean, this is how they're going to try to really squash crypto. And I don't think that they're necessarily going to be successful because it's very, very difficult to squash something that is decentralized. But without further ado, let's hop into this video, guys. So, Bitcoin right now is below $26,000. And, call me Moon from the Carl from the moon, but exactly as predicted. I mean, we've been calling this on the channel for a while now. Been trading just sideways, sideways, sideways. We'll take a look at Bitcoin right now. We traded sideways in this channel, and I said, we're probably going to slowly come down here. Look how perfectly we tested this level of $25,309. Just perfectly bouncing off of that. I think we'll probably still find our way back down to this level. We'll probably grind out here, and depending on how long we are here, the longer we are grinding out to the bottom of this, I think there's a likelihood that we capitulate down to 21,600. I know you guys don't want to hear this bearish news, but right now there's lots and lots of bearish sentiment going on in the market, guys. I mean, you've got Binance getting sued by the SEC and Coinbase getting attacked by the SEC, and it's all happening at once. This is a full-fledged planned attack on the crypto industry. So I would recommend putting your ducks in a row and counting them and making sure that you got everything settled. Be prepared for some volatile times in this industry right now. Not financial advice, but I will say that I recommend you protect your assets the best that you can right now, because only time will tell with how far this really goes. I mean, do I think that Binance is going to get crushed? No, but I do think that there is a world where Binance isn't in the United States at all anymore. I think that that's a possibility. Do I think Coinbase is going to be destroyed? Probably not. I think it's really, really interesting, though, that they have a publicly traded stock that IPO'd in 2021, even though the SEC has been attacking them and saying that they've been selling unregistered securities since 2019, which is very, very strange, considering that the U.S. has also used Coinbase to sell Bitcoin that they have confiscated from bad actors. So it's very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. There's lots of politics going on. We're going to have to see how this all plays out. But when it comes to price action on Bitcoin, we are trading at the levels I thought we would be trading at. We have tested the $25,300 price level, very, very key price level right here. And now I think we'll probably trade in this channel for a little while and capitulate down. I do think that there's a chance here that the capitulation event probably will happen around the FOMC meeting, especially if Jerome Powell increases the pressure and talks about more rate hikes. So we're going to have to keep our eyes open for that. So over on Crowcoin, we are just barely below 6 cents, which is okay. I'm okay with that. I think that's holding up relatively well based on this news. $25,000 is not a crash at all, in my opinion. We just are kind of trained down to the side. It's not a massive capitulation. I do think that we will have a capitulation. Now I don't know about a massive one, but 21,000, about a $5,000 price move on Bitcoin, I think is possible. But I think that Crowcoin does have more downside. I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but I do think that we'll probably be trading and touching this 5.5 cent mark, the previous low, especially the longer Bitcoin plays around in this FUD territory. And if we break to 21,000, I think there's a good chance that we do something like this, where we come down to this level, capitulate down, and bounce back up once Bitcoin reaches 21,000. If it does. But let's just keep a close eye on that, guys. There's lots of things developing in real time right now. Excited to talk on the live stream at Tuesday, 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. We do live stream every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Excited to see what has developed once we reach that live stream tonight. But let's take a look at the S&P 500 because the S&P is holding up relatively well, basically unfazed by the crypto news, which is likely so. Back when FTX happened, when FTX collapsed, there was almost an indication that we had a price move on S&P 500, but it could have been coincidental. But I do think that the S&P 500 is looking awfully healthy right now. We are trading up and to the side very, very slowly. We're consolidating, really, very, very tight consolidation over on the weekly. I mean, guys, lots of things are happening in the crypto space right now. We're gonna have to keep a very, very close eye on this. See how much everybody panics if we capitulate down. How much everyone panics if Binance gets some really, really heavy-handed scrutiny from the SEC, which they are, but I'm very curious to see how it all develops. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please know that we're almost at 10,000 subscribers. And when we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, guys. But I do want to say, take a breather, guys. You know, FTX collapsed. Everybody was freaking out. I don't think that Binance is going to collapse. I don't. But I don't have a crystal ball. But I don't think they're going to collapse. I really doubt it. They're such a massive, massive organization. Do I think that they're going to be attacked heavy-handedly? Without a doubt. Without a doubt, I think that they're underneath the microscope, and there's a full-fledged attack on the crypto industry right now, guys. So be prepared for that. Pay attention to that and adjust your strategy accordingly. But that's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.